hustle, cause I did win by default and without any doubt.
When I came today and I saw the sea of orange, I saw us in our numbers. I'm very happy because of all the disadvantages we've been through with the COVID-19 pandemic. And where we are, we have realized that now we have to come together as a people, comrades. And we have to come together now. Comrades, the idea is that now, when you look at average income in the country, the average Jamaican earns per annum $720,000. When you break that down per month, it's about $60,000, and per week is about $15,000, which is about 100 US per week. Comrades, with the way how prices have been increasing, it's very sad when we have to make a decision between going to the hospital or sending our children to school. It's very sad, comrades, when we have to make a decision between paying for your medicine, comrades, or buying lunch, comrades. Comrades, it's very sad that somebody told me last night that they only can buy lunch 3 times a week with the pay that they are receiving, comrades. Comrades, the time has come for us to see and feel and believe change. Jamaica is a country of such remarkable people, so talented. We have been contributing to the development of many countries across the world. When you look in North America and look at NASA, Jamaicans are building spaceships. When you look at engineering, Jamaicans are building the biggest bridges across the world. But when you come home to Jamaica, everything seems to be on go slow and everything seems to be dilapidated. But comrades, the People's National Party has the answer for you, comrades. Comrades, the world is changing. Gone are the days when young people are waiting for the world to change. Young people are now creating change. And young people want to join the People's National Party and be a part of the change of the future of Jamaica, comrades. Comrades, comrades, we need a chance to grow. We need a chance to lift our spirits and to increase our income. Comrades, instead of creating jobs, we need to create wealth. The type of industries that we have been focusing on have not been able to give us the amount of income that we need to move forward as a people. We need to now look at innovative ways in order for us to expand manufacturing. Give our young people a chance in order to become the entrepreneurs that they want to become, and provide them with a fund, a technology and innovation fund where young people can tap into and explore their full ideas and make Jamaica the futuristic place that we want to live. Comrades, there's a big oil crisis across the world that has been pushing up prices. Prices have been going up everywhere. And until now, I have not seen a concerted effort being made by the government in order to solve this oil crisis problem or to move Jamaica towards creating renewable energy so that all of us can benefit. Comrades, we have to take the future of the country seriously. We have to take economics seriously. We have to plan and take time and use our understanding of the macroeconomics and systems and functions to create better opportunities for us all. Comrades, the time is coming and the time has come, comrades. We are in a position now where we realize what has been happening. We are not blind. We are hopeful and aspirational people. And the People's National Party now, comrades, is going to give us the opportunity in order for us to come together collectively and create a new modern economy. Comrades, I cannot leave without talking about the ganja industry because it's very important. In 2015, we decriminalized ganja and gave ganja to you. But since then, we have not been able to make the amount of money from the industry that we need, comrades. Comrades, states across America are collecting taxes from ganja and giving people the rebate, tax money back in their hands. Comrades, Jamaica has the potential to do the same thing, comrades. Give the People's National Party a chance, and the People's National Party will turn this country around and put money back in the pocket and the hands of all the Jamaicans. Comrades, the time come, the time is here. The People's National Party is here for you.